Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to change the hover effect color and the selected color on the menu in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website, and then as you can see in my header, here is my menu, and then we will just click on this, and then we will click on design, and then click on customize design. So this is where we will change the color according to the hover effect or the selected effect. So as you can see right here, it says what you want to design. So we will click this and then we will choose the menu items. Then from here, as you can see, we have different states. We have the regular state, the hover state, and then the current page. So this is the three effects that we will need to change the color. You can also change the font and then the borders, the corners, and the shadows if you want. But since we will be focusing on colors, I will just focus on the specific colors. If you want to change some other elements, you can just go here and then click on the drop-down container or the drop-down items. But we'll just choose the menu items. And then, for example, for the background or for the text, so we'll just focus on the text. But if you want to change the background, you can just add, like for example, a red color. And then when I turn this transparency up, I now have this red background behind my horizontal menu since I changed this. So it looks like this. So for the regular, it has the red background. And then for the current page, it has no background. So that's why the home page doesn't have the red background, and all the other pages has the red background since we are currently in the home page. And then if you want to change the text as well, or like the text color, you can just click on text, and then for the regular state of the menu, you can change the text color, for example, into white. And then as you can see, the regular items in the menu is now in white font and then has the red background, but the selected page or the current page is still in black font, and then it doesn't have a specific background. So for the hover, we also want to change this if you want. So for example, if I hover over a specific page, I won't have any specific like background color, but the text will change into a black color by just changing the text color and then choosing the black option, or maybe we can just choose the blue option so that we differentiate the three different states. And we can now see this in action whenever I just saved the website first and then click on preview. And then as you can see, that is the regular state of our menu. But when I hover my mouse over to an item, it changes its look into a blue font. And then for example, when I click on this page, as you can see, now the current page, which is the about page, is now in black color and it doesn't have the red background, but all of the other pages still has that red background and then the white font. And then when I hover over another page, it has the blue font and then removes that red background. And then that is it. That is how we change the color for the hover effect and then for the selected page in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.